did you have to bring a down payment for an SBA loan? How did that work? And how did they evaluate y'all? Because y'all had never owned a car wash where, most folks, you think, hey, maybe I'm not a real estate investor, but I can still get a loan to buy that first property. Do they look at your personal credit, experience? How did they look through that?
They look at all your personal finance, what you do for work. It's definitely a lot. It's more than a residential mortgage. It definitely took a lot longer. They had to do some appraisals on our houses, and constant updated financial statement. I'm forgetting all the details of it.